We got question 4 to start off with. Prize fund is divided as follows. First prize is half the fund. Half the fund would be €9,000. Second prize is 2/3 of the fund. 18,000 multiplied by 2/3, which is 12,000. Was it? Oh, sorry. Give me a sec. First prize is half the fund. Second prize. Oh, it's 2/3 of the first prize. Sorry, my fault. So 2/3 of the first prize is 2/3 of 9,000, which is 6,000. And third prize is what remains. 9,000 plus 6,000 is 15,000. Take away from 18,000 is 3,000. There you go. Hey, let's move on. Question 7. Sorry, 7 before 14. Wait a sec. There we are. 7. You don't like fractions. How do we get rid of fractions? What do we change them into? So 6 over 6, 4 over 6, and get rid of the 6. Then what are we left with? 6 to 4 is to 3. How many shares is that? 13 shares. 13 shares is 546. How much is 1 share? Come on, somebody. 40? 42. Great. How much is 3 shares? How much is 4 shares? What? And then finally, how much is 6 shares? 252. Okay, great. Make a mincemeat of this. Okay, let's go on. 14 now, is it? There we go. Decent. Now, Z is the linker. See Z? How'd you turn 15 into? How'd you turn? Well, there's two ways of doing it. Sorry, there's 2 ways of doing it. First thing you do is just times 3. What happens when you times 3? 6 is to 12 is to 15. So then you can say that y is 12, x is 6, and z is 15. And you can say the full answer is 33. Second way of doing it is realizing that how many shares are there? There's, 11 shares? And you know that 5 shares is how much? 15. This makes 1 share. 3 makes 2 shares. Makes 4 shares. There you go, same way. Are we cool with that? And then just 6 plus 12 plus 15 equals 33. Move on, shall we? Okay. What one's this? Sorry, cut out the number. What number is it? 20. Shh. 2 brands of blackcurrant squash contain concentrated juice and sugar. In brand A, the ratio of 19 is to 1. In brand B, the ratio is 9 is to 1. What's the volume of concentrated juice of 500 ml in brand A? Alright, 500 milliliters to be cut into a ratio of 19 is to 1. 19 is to 1 is what, guys? How many shares? 20 shares. How much of it is juice? Concentrated juice is 19 shares, yeah? So how do I find 19 shares? Find 1 share, which is ml. Find 19 shares, which is going to be 475 milliliters. In essence, divide by 20, multiply by 19. Is that alright? Okay. Now, work with here. Now, we're going to do brand B. Alright guys, what's brand B? How many shares are in brand B? 9 and 1? 10 shares. And 10 shares is how much? 300. Okay. How much sugar is there? 1 share for sugar, yeah? So what do you reckon? 30. That's handy enough, isn't it? Okay, part 3. 500 mils of brand A is mixed with 300 mils of brand B. What's the ratio of concentrate juice to sugar in the mixture? Okay. Alright. Let's go for the 500 mils of brand A. What's in the 500 mils of brand A? I'd say 475 juice and 25 sugar. Does that make sense? Yeah? What about brand B, the 300 mils? We did it earlier, didn't we? 270 of juice and 30 of sugar. Okay, let's add them together then. There's 800 in total. Would you agree with that? Okay. And it's broken up into 2 parts. It's broken up into juice and it's broken up into sugar. So how much juice do we have? 475 plus 270?
690. No.
Yeah, 6. What did you say?
745.
Yeah, that's excellent. Yeah, that's perfect. And 25 plus 30?
55.
Good job, Aaron. So, Aaron, we have a ratio of 745 is to 55. Does that make sense? Okay. How are you going to break that down? Divide by 5. So 11. And what's this? 149. Does 11 divide into 149? No, it doesn't go even. So that's your proportion. 149 milliliters of juice for every 11 milliliters of sugar. Anybody get out? Come on, Haymond. Yep. Yep. Good job. All right, good job. That's not an easy question. Let's go 21. 2 baby snakes are measured in the zoo. One measures 8, the other measures 12. 2 weeks later, they're measured again, and the first is now 11, while the second one measures 15. Did the snakes grow in proportion? Explain your answer. Is the ratio of 8 is to 12 the same as the ratio as 11 is to 15? Okie dokie. Okay. I'm going to turn this into 15. Anybody know how to turn that into 15? I have to multiply, I'm afraid. So why don't we divide by 4 and multiply by 5? Would that make sense? So divide by 4 and multiply by 5. So what happens when you divide by 4 and multiply by 5?
3 by 4.
Which is 15. Now do the same for this. Divide by 4. 2 and then multiply by 5.
10.
If it's in the same ratio, it should be 10 centimeters when the other one is 15. But we can see that it's actually 11 centimeters when the other one is. So the ratios aren't the same. Does that make sense? We good? Alright. Is that it? Alright, Dave, what's it?